Welcome to our history channel, where I will show you never seen footage from our archives, restored it for your viewing pleasure. Today we're going to delve into the remarkable history of the Polikarpov I-16, a true aviation icon. The Polikarpov I-16 was a groundbreaking aircraft, known for being the first low-wing monoplane with an enclosed cockpit and retractable landing gear to serve in military roles. This aircraft, designed by the brilliant mind of Nikolai Polikarpov and his team, had a unique origin. The I-16 boasted a wooden fuselage and a barrel-like design, emphasizing its lightweight construction. Initially, it was armed with two wing-mounted machine guns, but its armament was quickly improved based on combat feedback, addressing initial concerns about its firepower. What set the I-16 apart were its innovative features. It had retractable landing gear, a fully enclosed glass canopy, and large ailerons that could also function as flaps, making it a remarkable piece of engineering. The I-16 entered service in 1934 and made its mark in history, seeing action in the Spanish Civil War and World War II. Despite its vulnerabilities, the I-16 played a significant role in the Soviet Air Force and had a large production number, cementing its place in aviation history. German fighter aircraft held a distinct advantage in firepower. The I-16 was comparatively more delicate, with a propensity to catch fire upon impact, and the wooden frame construction often caused fires to persist. By the end of 1942, the I-16 was gradually being substituted by newer, more advanced fighters in frontline combat roles. However, it had borne the brunt of the German invasion's aerial onslaught up to that point. Even as it faced retirement, the Polikarpov I-16 had already left an indelible mark on the world of military aviation. And that's the captivating history of the Polikarpov I-16, a testament to innovation, resilience, and the dedication of those who designed and flew it. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like, share, or subscribe. And most importantly, don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you very much.